Hi, I'm Luther Propst. I'm a county commissioner here in Teton County, Wyoming. I'm serving my first term and I'm running for re-election. The short answer for why I'm running for re-election is we have a lot of work yet to do, and I'm committed to protecting water quality and wildlife, providing housing that is truly affordable for our workforce, and managing growth and over-tourism so that we are a community. The longer you're here, the more the community competes with the outdoor recreation opportunities, and so it's that combination of being in a magnificent landscape along with a magnificent community. It's the friends that you make here. I was surprised when I moved here to learn that we do indeed have a water quality problem, and I think we have the political will to address it, but we have a lot of work before we're able to do so. Protecting our natural resources is critical for several reasons. The first is our economy depends upon the quality of our natural resources. Secondly, we are one of the wealthiest counties in the country, and I think we're obligated to provide national leadership in being good stewards of our natural resources. But there's a few things that we know are critical that we can do now. The first is we have a serious water quality issue in the Hoback Nation. I am proud that we are finally making progress on that. We have had our papers approved by the Department of Environmental Quality down in Cheyenne to go to the voters in Hoback with a proposal for a water and sewer district. That's critical. Secondly, I'm proud that we have put a measure on the ballot for the upcoming election in November that would provide $10 million for water quality improvements to implement the comprehensive water quality plan that is underway. I urge everybody to vote yes on that SPET measure. We need to create an inspection and maintenance program for the county's 3,500 some small wastewater facilities or septic systems. And we also have increasing problems with wastewater. We have less snowfall and we have more evaporation and we have higher temperatures, and so we have less ability to dilute our wastewater, which means we need to take the treatment of wastewater more seriously in an era of climate change, in an era of more visitors, more population growth. We also have 100 some public water supply systems for neighborhoods and subdivisions around the county. Only 3 of those have an approved source water protection plan. We need to do much better than that. That needs to become a high priority. Finally, the city of Jackson or the town of Jackson and Teton County need to work together to, frankly, to figure out what we need to do with the wastewater treatment plant. It's going to need to be expanded. It's going to need to be improved. That raises some really serious technical and engineering issues, as well as some really serious issues around financing. How do we allocate the costs? And so we need to take action on several fronts at once. It's not a town of Jackson issue. It's a Jackson Hole issue in the sense of this is about the valley, running from the northern stretches of the valley all the way down to the county line.